Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the Alchemy tutorial class. Today we will learn the different properties of division. We have learned the different properties of addition, subtraction and multiplication. Today we will learn the different properties of division. There are 4 different properties of division. Let us do the first property. The first property of division is what? Division by 1. It means what? When a number is divided by 1, what do we get? The answer is the number itself. See, let's take an example 5432. 5432 is a number which is divided by 1. When a number is divided by 1, what do we get? We get the number itself. The quotient is what? The quotient is the number itself. So the first property is when a number is divided by 1, we get the number itself, that is the quotient. Now let's come to the second property. Second property is division by itself. What do you mean by itself? When a number is divided by itself, by the same number, then what do we get? We get 1 as a quotient. See, let us take a number 5432. 5432 is a number which is divided by itself, which is divided by the same number 5432. Then what do we get? Our quotient is what? Our quotient is 1. Is it clear? The second property of division is when a number is divided by itself, then the quotient is 1. And when a number is divided by 1, then what is the answer? The answer is the number itself. That is the quotient itself. Is it clear? This is the 2 property. Now let us move on towards the third property of division. The third property of division is division of 0. Division of 0 by any number. Division of 0 by a number. What do we get? The quotient is always 0. It means what? When we divide 0 by any number, the quotient is always 0. 56 into 0 is what? 56 zeros is 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So 56 zeros are 0. So when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. Is it clear? These are the 3 properties. Now let us switch on to the fourth property. What is the fourth property? Fourth property is division by 0. That is not possible. Always remember, the 3 main properties are division by 1, division by itself and division of 0 by a number. And division by 0 is not possible. Division by 0 we mean what? When we write 0 out here and we write 56 out here. Can you divide this way? Is this division possible? No. We cannot divide any number by 0. So this is not possible. So the 3 main properties of division are division by 1. When a number is divided by 1, we get the number itself as the quotient. Division by itself, when the same number is divided with each other, we get 1 as a quotient. And division of 0 by a number, division of 0 by any number will always give 0 as a quotient. So these are the 3 main properties of division. I hope it is clear. I have a small animated video for you. Please see the video and meet in the next class. Thank you.
Fish, bowl, division, multiplication. What happens when you divide with 1 or 0? Think about this question during the lesson. How does the picture show 3 divided by 1? It shows 3 items being divided into groups of 1. There are 3 groups. Ty bought 3 fish. How many bowls will he need if he puts 1 fish in each bowl? Rule: any number divided by 1 is itself. Ty needs 3 fish bowls. To find 3 divided by 3, think 3 times what number equals 3? Rule: any number except 0 divided by itself is 1. How can you draw a picture of 3 divided by 3? Show 3 items divided into groups of 3. There is one group consisting of 3 items. To find 0 divided by 3, think 3 times what number equals 0? Rule: 0 divided by any number except 0 is 0. How can you draw a picture to show 0 divided by 3? Show 0 items being divided into groups of 3. There are 3 groups, but nothing is in any of the groups. To find 3 divided by 0, think 0 times what number equals 3? Rule: you cannot divide by 0. There is no such number, so 3 divided by 0 cannot be done. Can you draw a picture to show 3 divided by 0? No, there is not any way to divide 3 items into groups of 0, so there is no way to draw a picture. Now you know the rules for dividing with 0 and 1. 7 divided by 7 equals what? Try it yourself.